Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create actions in Photoshop. Photoshop Actions is a time-saving tool that allows you to run series of steps on a single file or a batch of files. They might be one of the best tools that you aren't taking advantage of. When we use Photoshop Actions, we actually save a lot of time and effort. And we do that by capturing multiple steps into an action and then running that action on multiple files. Today, I will be showing you how to create an action to convert an image into a beautiful sketch. So, without further delay, let's get started. As you can see, in Photoshop, I have opened a book background on which the sketch would look great. You may choose anything as per your liking. Now let's import the image that we want to convert to a sketch. I have chosen an image of a lion. Let's create an action. To begin, we first create an action set, which is nothing but a group of actions. I will name it as custom. Before we proceed, it is important to know that an action needs a starting point to run. For this, either we can select the relevant layer and then run the action, or we can give the relevant layer a unique name so that the action can identify it easily. For example, background or subject. For this demo, I will be renaming my layer as subject. This means that when I will run my action again, a layer named subject should be present. Our set is created. Let's create an action. Press the new action button and name the new action as sketch. As you can see, this box does not have the OK button. Instead, we start the recording directly after giving the required details. A sketch generally uses grayscale pencil, so we reset our swatches in case other colors are set. For that, we press the key D in Windows. As the layer is selected, we open the filter gallery from the filter menu. We then select the graphic pen tool. So, the result comes out something like this. There are some options such as color balance and stroke length, which you can modify according to your needs. Now, we will go to filter menu. From blur tab, we will select Gaussian blur. You can choose the amount according to you, but I'll choose 0.4. Now, I will choose to add some levels. Now let's change the levels by adding an levels adjustment layer. Now we will add a clipping mask, as This limits the effect to the layer lying below. Okay, let's select the black point and move it a little bit, and also adjust the midpoint so it will give a nice effect. Just a little bit, and we are ready to go. Now let's merge our layers. We'll do that by selecting both of them and pressing the merge button. Let's rename it to subject. We'll change our blending mode to give it a better effect. I will choose linear blur. As you can see, our action is complete, so we will stop the recording. To check the action, if the action is correct, we'll delete this layer and bring in a new one. Now I am bringing a new sample, and it is a picture of an elephant. I am going to rename it first to subject. Let's select the sketch action and play it, and you can see how nicely it has done. So, as you can see, we created our action in no time and saved all of the time that we could have wasted in performing all those long steps. Thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, press the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel.